Hello everyone, welcome back. We are here once more in Pokemon Black 2 with the Nuzlocking and our so far mostly deathless run. Sans starter for this one. It's actually been really impressive that I've gotten this far. We have 5 gym badges total. We have one, two, three. I can't count. We have 6 gym badges total. We're about to go to get face Drayden for the 7th. Yeah, but we do have quite a few encounters to get. We need Undella Bay. Did we get Route? No, we killed Route 14. And so we have Undella Bay, Route 13. We have Route 12, Village Bridge, Route 11, Route 9. So it's going to be a lot of encounters today on this episode, and then we are going to cook. I'm going to cook probably between episodes real hard for the Drayden fight and his gym, because his gym is also kind of busted. And that will be on tomorrow's episode. And then after that, we've got quite a bit more to get through before we got maybe 1 or 2 more episodes, and then we'll be facing off against Getsis, who we're also going to have to really cook for. And then finally, we have the Pokemon League, who are going to be a challenge. But for now, let's focus on the past. We need to get an Undella Bay encounter. So what we're going to do is, sorry, I had a bit of food stuck in my teeth. That was gross. Not my proudest moment to have been captured on a video. All right, so what am I switching out? Why am I switching out for? What and why am I switching these things out? Well, the answer is actually quite simple. Because I need to teach one of these Pokemon Dive, and I don't know which one of them learns it. Yes, I have every TM in the game. Don't be mad. Alright. Okay, so all 3 of them are able. So we're going to teach it to Cal, because Cal, I don't ruin the moveset if I teach it to him. Alright, so we're going to get a dive encounter in Undella Bay. Oh, and because the month changed, it's now spring. Which means that if we do fail on this attempt, there's another heart skill, right here. Nice. Well, please be a dupe. Not a dupe. God damn it. Alright, it's fine. We can pretend that never happened. Alright. Ah, okay. Well, I guess we're getting an Abyssal Ruins encounter. If this is a maze, sticking to the left wall will... A dread plate. Relic silver. Interesting. I've never actually been to the Abyssal Ruins before, so I have no idea what's in here. Relic statue. Relic gold. I was hoping for relic Pokemon. Ooh, look, the Earth Plate. Now we can turn our not Arceus into a ground type. Or we can use it to boost Earthquake on Excadrill. Okay. Well, that was fun. Where are they? There they are. Okay. Using Max Repel. Please don't be the Abyssal Ruins again. Right, there's no Mons here, so... Hold on. Yeah, there's no Pokemon in the Abyssal Ruins, so... I guess we have to use... Alright, well, it's not the worst thing it could be. I would have preferred Chinchu. Actually, I would have preferred, like, basically anything else. But it's fine. This is fine. I'm just gonna acrobatics, because it'll live. Or not. Clay can just crit, and we can be sad. Alright. Well, that was unfortunate. Losing out on the Undella Bay encounter kind of sucks. But we've got plenty more encounters we're going to get this episode, so... I like how I'm turning the duck into an HM slave, and I'm okay with that. Because the duck really is kind of worthless. Like, I'm sorry. Swanna can be good, but it's just not good. Anyway. Yeah, so we're gonna do the switcheroo. You can go in here. You can go in here. Bring Lipard. Oh, it's battle armor. Nice. We don't get crit now. Yeah, we're just gonna bring. Come back here. Yeah, we're just gonna bring this team, and then let's see what Route 13 has for us. I'm gonna check my Pokeball status really quick. I have 7 Ultra Balls. We're gonna buy a few more. $11 type of potions should be fine. We are gonna buy more Max Repels though. All right. So we actually have a difficult fight headed for us on Village Bridge. It's because, well, we kind of have a difficult fight. It's not going to be easy, but it's not going to be super difficult, especially with the team we have. All right, so this is our Route 13, so we can get our encounter here. Nope. See what we got. Soul Rock, okay. That's actually worthwhile, because it's a dupe later. I forgot to heal, so we'll fix that in a second. Oh, good. We're just gonna fake out for more chip damage. Let's see if the Ultra Ball will work. Excellent. All right, so we got Soul Rock. I don't think this will see too much play, but it does make it so we have a chance at more interesting encounters a little bit later. More specifically on Route 22. Because if we get rid of Soul Rock, we get access to... so we could still get a Moongus. Like, our best target, though, would be Mainfu. Then we're at 21. We're gonna probably end up getting something worthless. And then Giant Chasm. Giant Chasm has a lot of stuff. Anyway. No. Oh. Whoops. Oh well, that's fine. It's not a big deal. I don't want to fight you. I'm just gonna move past Cobalion. And this will probably cause me an issue later, but we're gonna talk to the old lady and fast forward through her dialogue. Basically, she just explains that a long time ago, in a galaxy far away, there was a blizzard that hit, and winter, an unending and relentless winter, and the walkers within within the white, it came and wiped all of humanity from the earth. Those that survived still remember it to this day. Alright, so we're gonna heal up, because we have a double battle with Hugh here in a second. That involves so I think we're actually going to bring Drillbur out of the box in place of Whimsicott, because Drillbur does quite a bit in this fight as long as we get rid of the Cryogonal. Because we have Zinzalin versus me and Hugh. Yes, you can learn Rock Slide, Doug. We're gonna get rid of Home Claws. No, we don't allow you to evolve yet. We're delaying the evolution because if we delay it, I think till... There we go. Yes, we want to learn Earthquake. Now you have my permission to evolve. Look at that attack stat. Look at that disgusting attack stat. Alright. So we're actually... So what we're gonna do is we're gonna lead Maggie and kill this Cryogonal. So we're gonna take on this battle. Wing, wing, boom, 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 wing, 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 boom, 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 wing, wing. I love the plasma music in this game. It's so good. What? Okay. Well, either way, I mean, I guess the Grunt has the Golbat Garbodor and Zinzalin has Cryogonal Sneasel, which is fine. It's still fine. I thought it was different, but again, we're just killing this Cryogonal. There's a Reflect. Oh wait, no, it used Light Screen, didn't it? Revenge on Cryogonal. Nice, good kill. So we just hit 40. Now Sneasel comes in. And this thing doesn't have any ice moves. So Doug is actually really, really safe to switch in. And now we just click Rock Slide. That should do 0. Revenge. I mean... Or you can do like half the work for us. That's fine. Single target Rock Slide's fine by me. That'll definitely kill the Golbat. Or not, apparently. Forgot how tanky Golbat is. Now, this Garbodor's best move to hit us is Body Slam, but since Samurott is on a lower HP, it's guaranteed to attack that slot. So we're just going to Earthquake. Thank you for the $9,000. All right. So we are just gonna heal up, and then we have, I think, yeah, we got 4 new encounters and the Village Bridge fight. The Village Bridge fight is actually fine. I'm not expecting it to be too hard. The main problem I see with it is that, well, actually, no, because Emolga can do it. Because Emolga can win. We just have to set Emolga up for success here. Switch Duck in. Alright, we're on Route 12, yes? Route 12, okay. So we get an encounter here, and there might be a hidden grotto. I think there's a hidden grotto, like, up in this back corner. Alright, let's see what our encounter is. Sawaddle, that's a dupe, so... Well, this is not coming with us. As much as I would love for it to, we already have a Swadloon. Nice, PP up. Cool. We can up extreme speeds, PP. Please don't attack me. Yellow Shard, nice. Roselia. All right. We could actually make this. This thing could be a big threat if its moveset is correct. I might have just killed this. Please live. Roselia, you're a god. I'll take that. It's fine. No! No! Nice. Nice. Okay, so we do have a Rose Raid. This could be really, really good. Yes. I don't know if that's how you spell her name actually, but it's how I'm going to spell her name here. Nope, no hidden grotto over here. Woo. I don't know why I'm freaking out going through the grass. We caught our Roselia. We do want to just heal off the poison real quick. Alright. 3 more encounters, and that will be today's episode. I know I've only done like 2 fights, but I'll only be technically doing maybe 1 to 2 fights, but, you know, sometimes that's how it goes. Well, nope, we're doing another fight. I hope y'all enjoy. Alright, what you got? What you got? Okay, you're just a 1 Heracross. Okay. Alright. So we do have an end to this. Close combat. Okay, we could lose Duck here. Duck, you're amazing! Okay, Zen Headbutt might kill. If not, we're just switching because this is random move. Alright. We have to switch now. If this is close combat again, Doug will not take it. Maggie honestly takes it best. Clay would be okay, but Maggie takes it best. I do not want Duck to go down here. Well, actually, what does Duck do for us that Jellicent doesn't? Nothing, and, like, arguably Duck had, like, niche use as a soak user. Maggie should live after Intimidate. We should be fine. This also might just be random move, which would be amazing. It would be amazing for it not to be close combat. It's fine. It's fine. We're fine. Yeah. Okay. See, I'm a god. I know everything about Pokemon ever. You didn't make use of Guts, you moron. Perhaps if you had. Alright. Thank you. And now... we're going to head forward. Ooh, a green shard. Alright. So now we have the village bridge, and I'm pretty sure this guy's at like level 42, so we're going to level everybody up to level 42. Yeah, if we find the opportunity, we can do that. Alright, so our lead is actually changing again, because this man leads with a Durant, which will die to our Fire Fang. And then we can just switch in Clay, because the Lucario only has Bone Rush as its attacking move. Everything else is yeah, come on. What do we have here? Get okay. Alright, so we're just gonna Fire Fang here. Bug Bite will do 0. And Fire Fang is quad effective. Alright, Gentleman Stonewall will most likely now click Bone Rush, so we can switch in Clay. Quick Guard, I don't know why you would click that, but you can be Encored into it. You just keep Quick Guarding, that's fine. And goodbye, Lucario. I hope y'all are enjoying seeing Emolga, because it probably won't come with us to the Drayden fight. We'll see how I cook. We'll see how it looks, but it's probably not coming with us to the Drayden fight. I'm just being honest. Nice. Another heart scale. Okay, so looking at the encounter table for this bridge, so our basically only pickup of real, like, So we already have a Golduck. Here we go. Alright. Basculin. I'm pretty sure Basculin is actually a dupe for us. It's not. How is that not a dupe for us? Huh. I could swear we've encountered a Basculin before, but it's fine. Alright, well, at least we remove it from the encounter table. You are not... Or not. That's also fine. We can just not have the Basculin. It not like it would have left a box, to be honest, but still. Well, that was our village bridge encounter. We're gonna go speak with the rest stop lady. We'll be heading on to our next fight. Oops. Nope. Wrong house. Is this house. Thank you. Now, we go! One of the things I love about the route design in this game is all the routes are relatively long or relatively well paced. And what's great about some of the dungeons is that they have healers in them. Okay. So, what can we encounter on Route 11 that we have not already? Ooh, actually. Okay, so there is a chance for Gligar and Gliscor on this route. Yes, I know. Hello, Virizion. Alright, I wasn't going to do this till the Elite Four, but you know what? Switch out Aqua Tail for that. With Zinc! See what we got. Gligar, nice. Alright. Cool. So we will capture this and it'll be great. Right. So I think we're just gonna E-Speed, so because that shouldn't kill this. Please don't kill it. Awesome. already have access to U-turn. We do have the Earthquake TM, so... We do have the Earthquake TM, and we can get, and we can have, and we can have, we might need to go to the battle subway to get the Razor Fang, but should be able to... Hi, Iris. Alright. We're gonna heal up. We may be going to look at the Razor Fang. I need to look up where that is. After our Route 9 encounter, we'll grab that. But... yeah, so after our Route 9 encounter, we'll grab that. If we need it, and then... well, this is going to be the end of the episode, so... alright. So everything else on this route is a dupe. Our options are Muck or Poniard. I'm kind of wanting Poniard. This most likely is a dupe. Yeah. We are hoping for Poniard. But Muck would be okay. It's dupe. That is the dupe. And we get Poniard. Nice. Now, what are you? You are Defiant. Nice. Okay. Get this man up with the extreme speed. Try an Ultra Ball. We might need one more E-Speed. Okay, Spadef. That's fine. One more E-Speed. No crit. Nice. Alright. We're gonna switch just to keep Maggie safe. Alright. Nice. Lelouch. Alright. Alright, guys. So, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will be back tomorrow with another episode of our lovely Pokemon Nuzlocke. I'm going to drop. In the meantime, I'm probably going to do... I'm probably going to cook for the Drake. In between the episodes, I'm probably going to cook for the Drayden fight. And I'm also going to look and see if we can find that Razor Fang. If we can, then we'll probably have Gliscor for the Elite Four and for... We'll have Gliscor for the Elite Four and potentially for Drayden. So keep an eye on that. I hope you all enjoyed. Please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all have a wonderful day.